how to easily repair PVC or vinyl fences. Now this is a white vinyl fence that my daughter has. She had a hole in it. It's a pretty simple repair. The first step is just to clip out a piece of the vinyl. That exposes the hole and makes it easier to fill, but it also gives you a sample that you can color match. Now for the white fences, you really don't have to color match. You can just use the high gloss white paint. I got mine from Home Depot. You want to fill the void with something. I used painter's tape, kind of rolled up backwards so the sticky side was out. You could use foam, anything to prevent you from just constantly packing it full of Bondo and the Bondo going into an endless void. The product that we're going to use for the repair is the Bondo Fiberglass, which is mixed with a little bit of hardener and then applied with a plastic putty knife. And you want to push it in two directions so that Bondo mushrooms over the back lip of the vinyl, and that will hold it in place forever. Then you want to kind of leave a heap of the Bondo and let it dry. This stuff dries pretty quick, within a couple of hours. I used a 4.5-inch angle grinder just to grind away the majority of the Bondo. If you don't have an angle grinder, you can just skip this step and go right to the oscillating sander. Use an 80 grit paper, it'll go through it pretty quickly. And you want to sand it down until it's completely smooth. Now, if there was any air bubbles in the Bondo, you may have to apply a second thinner coating and let that dry and then resand. I got away without doing that this time. So I sanded with an 80, and then I did switch to a 120 and gave it a final sanding. Once it's nice and smooth, that Bondo is not protruding over the face of the fence anymore, it usually takes 2 good coats of paint to cover, and you let that paint dry. And the final repair, you can barely see where the hole was. Actually, as you pull away, the only thing that you can see is maybe a slight difference in color of the paint to the fence. Now, if you're going to repair colored fence, like this is a brown vinyl fence, it's this exact same process, except that piece that you cut out, take down to the local paint store or Home Depot and have it color matched. So in this repair, which was over at my son's house, I did the exact same thing. I filled it with painter's tape, rolled backwards so the sticky side was out. I pressed in some Bondo, sanded it all off completely smooth. I took that sample clip down to Home Depot. I had them color match it, and they sell you a very small container of paint. I think it was like $4 for them to color match and give me a sample of paint. If you've ever used the color matching, sometimes it's right on the money, and other times it's not. But you always have to wait for it to dry to see what the end result is. This one came out pretty good. You can barely notice where the repair was done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.